Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Stephen, what's the date today?
Wednesday, December 16th, 2020.
Thank you. Okay, so what's going on
Happy
today?
Mail! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Rusty the Happy Mail Rooster is getting a workout, aren't you, Rusty? Hey? Oh man, silent treatment. Okay, Rusty, what do you got for me today? Rusty?
Happy Mail!
Okay, well, where is it? Not too demanding, am I? Oh my god. Thanks, Rusty! Okay. Okay, knock, knock, knock. At the door. Again, I was being a couch potato, and it was like, ah. So, this weighs a super ton. It weighs a super ton. And I thought, well, maybe this is a Christmas present from my kids or something, so I better... But then I read, it says to Lisa Ann. Ann with an E, everybody. Like, what's that? Oh, what is that show? Anne of Green Gables. No. Yes. Yes? Anne of Green Gables. Ann with an E. I'm an Ann with an E, my middle name. So on Facebook, that's my name, Lisa Ann. So I knew this wasn't for my kids then, obviously, or Steven, or... Anyway, shut up, Lisa, crack into it.
Yeah, good one.
Who is this from? Who is this from? Oh! Oh my God. Karen, why? Oh, you're funny, girl. Enjoy your gift. Love, Karen, why? Here's a snack you can enjoy while you crochet. Love, Karen, why? Oh, girl. Yay, me! Reese's Pieces. Oh, I've got friggin' stuff everywhere. Oh my God, this no wonder it weighed a ton. Oh my God, 1, 2. Oh my God. Roasted and salted cashews, baby. Baby, look what's in the house. This is super funny. Super funny. Oh my God. Because, honey, can you grab that? Can you grab the jar that's sitting at my workstation, we shall call it? My craft zoo, shall we call it? Oh my God.
Pile.
My craft pile, shall we call it? Oh my God, Karen, this is fantastic. Oh my God. Okay, so my peanuts is like empty, and I was saving last night. Oh, I don't even think I can get any out of here, but I was saving there. Oh, it's just the salt. I don't know if they can see it. It's just the salty bits at the bottom of my can. Oh, there might be. So I was saving, because aren't I a little saver, honey lover? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I'm a little saver. So I think I saved myself 2 for today with all the dusty salt. But I think maybe there's 4. There might be 4 little peanuts that last night I made sure to save for tonight. Oh God, okay. Okay, fabulous. Oh my God. And Reese's Peanut Pieces. Oh, hello. Oh, and they've got peanuts in the middle. Oh, they're Reese's Pieces Peanut. Have we had these? I've never had these. Have you had these? I gotta try it out. Oh, they're big, eh? Look, guys. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, that's yours. Hey, it's a 2-day second rule in this house. Well, I didn't show you guys what was in the center. Well, anyway, peanut. Oh my god. Oh, Karen, you're friggin' funny and I love it. Oh!
Oh, honey.
I get all excited about chocolate. Uh-oh. Okay, I gotta calm down. No, I have to turn the camera and you can see Steven. He's chasing all my peanuts, my nuts, my chocolate nuts, whatever nuts. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna love these tonight, aren't I? Okay, thank you so much, Karen. This was funny. Love it. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Karen. And I miss seeing you. It was nice to see you the other day in my live. I missed you. Okay. Okay, I'll let you go. I'm gonna film my face. No, I'm not, because it's what? It's 2:30 today. Should I show? Oh, do you want to hand me the slippers then, please? Maybe a little made I made some of these slippers for my. Well, you know what? I'll do another video on it then. I'll do another video. Well, let me see. Oh, I don't know. Look at poor guy.
Yes, no, what?
Yes, no, maybe so.
Ooh, they're thick.
They're thick. I made another pair of these slippers for my mommy for Christmas. I hope she likes them. I love these. I did a video on these before. I'll tell you more about these. This is a YouTube tutorial by Stephanie Zed, and I made these before. Stephen and I are both sporting ours. And let me tell you, when she says they massage the bottom of your feet, they surely do. Actually, hit stop. I'm going to grab the ball band. I might as well continue this whole video. Hit stop. We'll be right back. Pause for station identification. Did you enjoy that station identification time? Brought to you by Reese's Pieces and roasted and salted cashews.
I just put them all back in.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
They were
did.
sitting on the box. I promise you.
No, they
I
weren't.
promise you. Oh, Oops. Hold that thought. Oh, no. I dropped them again. Okay, I think the
Well,
best.
you know what? They're reclosable. And
Oh, and I cut the top off.
So you won't be able to close them.
Well, I guess we better just put them in a big bowl for me. Oh, they'll be gone in no time anyway. Thank you, honey. Okay, anyway. Station identification brought to you by Reese's Pieces, Karen Y, and organically roasted and salted cashews. Okay, I'm in a mood, aren't I? Thank you. Right, Sharon? Or yeah, Sharon. He cleans up after me all the time. Poor Stephen. Anyway, what did I make, guys? I made another pair of these slippers. I've shown these before in another video where I talk more about it, and I will put that here or there or somewhere if I remember. Yeah, so it is a Crochet House Slippers by Stephanie Zed. She is a Canadian, everybody. And yeah, great tutorials. I love her tutorials. She's one of the people that put the instructions like written out on the when you're watching her, and then she's got what you're supposed to be doing written out, which is very super duper helpful. I love that so much. So thank you. You put it in a baggie for me. Yeah. So what I did was I made these for my mommy for Christmas. I hope she likes them. Oh, what I was telling you about is Stephanie Zed says in the end of her video how these like massage the bottom of your feet. And I'll tell you right now, guys, they totally do. Isla, I know you made a pair for your husband after watching my video when I made mine for Stephen and I. Does he love them or does he love them? Like, you put these on and it's like my legs and knees with Billy, you will love these. I know it's probably too hot for you to wear these because these are thick, but you will love the feeling wearing these. I'm telling you right now, like I've got like really bad knees and arthritis, and you put these on and it's almost like you want to stand up and walk because it legitimately feels great to stand on. It's cushy. It's almost like, what do you call that stuff? Honey lover.
What?
The memory foam-ish kind of, you know, have you ever had shoes that had the memory foam in them? Well, these, okay, I'm going to take, it's not memory foam-ish feeling, but I'm telling you right now, the feeling on the bottom of your feet with her tutorial is totally, you guys, I'm serious, will love these. Anyway, what did I use for these ones? She uses a 6mm hook, and she uses, I think she uses a number 6 weight yarn. Well, I have some 6 weight, but not enough to make like 2 slippers out, right? So what I did in the last one, well, you guys go watch my last one. I think I did 2 3s or 2 4s together, and I used a 6.5 on those slippers. I don't want to show mine because mine are, you know, you pick stuff up off the floor like like peanuts. Anyway, I used Comfy Cotton Blend by Lion Brand. Somebody gifted this to me. I can't remember who. Shoot, I should have looked that up. Thank you. Anyway, this is a 3 light yarn. And here it is here. Here's the yarn here. And what I did was, Sandy Crochet had gifted me this Hirschner's worsted weight yarn. And it is a 4 weight yarn in the color black. And this is how much I have. Because I did have yarn in a wool. I'm gonna make my dad a pair, but I didn't know really how much yardage I needed. But anyway, I'm talking about these now, aren't I? I made these, and I did the, you know, when you hold two together, right? And I used a 6mm hook. And isn't that pretty, guys? The color, like, I think that's really pretty. What I got out of it. Isn't that pretty? Yes, I think so. I totally think so. Because, like, see, guys? See, there's the yarn. And then when I added the black, right? Isn't that pretty? I think that's beautiful. I'm asking and I'm waiting for an answer, guys. Okay, so yeah, these are really pretty. And like I said, they feel so good. It's like like I said, you do want to stand up and walk in them because it's like, oh my God, that feels so good on my knees and my legs and my hips. Yeah. So, I mean, they're not like, you know, they're not pretty slippers. They're functional, warm, very cozy, very comfy slippers to wear. They feel so good, I'm telling you right now. Okay, so that's it. That's all. There you go. Yeah, I'm going to make a pair for my dad. Not out of this. I'm going to, I don't know, guys. What should I do for my dad? I'm wondering if, I think Gary from Urban Yarns gave me this wool up. Okay, well, how much yarn was in the, This was 180 yards, right? So how much is this? I don't know. I gotta figure it out, guys. This is 238 yards. Oh, well then I'll have to find another yarn to yeah. Anyway, I'm babbling right now, guys. Okay. So thank you very, very much, Karen White. This, I have nuts to eat tonight. Yay, me. These will be gone in like a shovel load. Oh, thank you, bye. Well, thanks. I'm bad. I should not be eating peanuts, but I can't contain myself. And cashews, hello, baby. These are the big boys. These are like the creme de la creme of nuts, aren't they? Yeah. Okay, I'll let you guys all go. Thank you so much, Karen. Bye. Is that it? Yeah. Bye. Have a good day, guys.